How to loop through a nested dictionary in Python. When working with complex data structures in Python, such as nested dictionaries, it's essential to understand how to navigate through them effectively. Nested dictionaries can be visualized as dictionaries within dictionaries, where each key can hold another dictionary as its value. This kind of structure is especially common in JSON data or when managing multi-level data relationships. Understanding the structure. A nested dictionary is a collection of dictionaries within a single dictionary. Each key in the outer dictionary points to a dictionary that may contain additional key value pairs. The depth of nesting can vary, meaning you could encounter multiple levels of dictionaries within dictionaries. The need for looping through a nested dictionary. Looping through a nested dictionary allows you to access and manipulate the data at each level. Whether you're searching for a specific value, transforming data, or aggregating information, understanding how to loop through each layer is crucial. Approaches to looping. 1. Iterating over keys and values. The most straightforward way to start looping through a nested dictionary is by iterating over its keys and values. At each level, you can check if the value is another dictionary, and if so, continue looping through that inner dictionary. This approach is helpful when you need to maintain a hierarchy in your operations. 2. Recursive approach. If the depth of nesting is unknown or varies, a recursive approach is often more effective. A recursive function can be designed to handle any level of nesting by calling itself when it encounters another dictionary. This method is powerful, but requires careful consideration of base cases to avoid infinite loops. 3. Using a stack or queue. For those who prefer iterative solutions over recursion, using a stack or queue can be a practical approach. By pushing each nested dictionary onto a stack or into a queue, you can systematically pop or dequeue them to process each level. This method can be more memory efficient and avoids the potential pitfalls of recursion. 4. Flattening the dictionary. In some cases, you might want to flatten a nested dictionary before processing it. Flattening involves converting the nested structure into a single-level dictionary with compound keys representing the original hierarchy. This approach simplifies access to elements, but requires thoughtful key naming to preserve the structure. Practical applications. Looping through nested dictionaries is common in scenarios such as JSON parsing. When dealing with JSON data from web APIs or configuration files, nested dictionaries are often the norm. Properly looping through this data is essential for extracting the necessary information. Data aggregation. In data processing tasks, you may need to aggregate or summarize information from nested structures. Looping allows you to traverse all levels and collect the data you need. Dynamic data manipulation. When working with dynamic data structures where the number of nesting levels may vary, knowing how to loop through nested dictionaries ensures your code can handle any scenario. Best practices. Understand the data. Before writing any loops, it's crucial to understand the structure of the nested dictionary. This understanding helps in designing the most efficient loop and avoiding unnecessary complexity. Handle edge cases. Consider edge cases, such as empty dictionaries or unexpected data types, to make your code robust.